Membrane switches need to be tested before they are shipped out of the factory. So what are the testing steps that membrane switches go through before they leave the JRPanel's factory? First, visual inspection. At the JRPanel factory, our engineers will first conduct a visual inspection of our membrane switch products. First, the appearance of the membrane switch is required to be flat, rust-free, wool-free, and dust-free. Second, based on the product design drawings, the engineer will check the shape, internal holes, windows, tail outlets, and the location of the keys accordingly. Third, the engineer will also check the graphics and logo text of the panel layer for missing and omission, unattached adhesive backing, unclear screen printing, stains that cannot be erased, etc. are unacceptable. Fourth, due to the environment, light, and other factors, the product may have color differences from the computer file. Thus, engineers need to check the products with Pantone color card. Fifth, during the visual inspection, the engineer will also check whether the backing adhesive is the one selected as per the order and test the peel strength. The peel strength should be no less than 8 Newton, 25 mm. Second, conductivity test. JRPanel makes sure that every keypad of the membrane switch produced must pass the conductivity test. This is so that every keypad can be turned on and used without any broken or short circuits. If there are LEDs installed on the membrane switch, then these LEDs are also tested for functionality. JRPanel will also ensure that each LED is functioning properly. Third, lifetime testing. For the long-term effective use of membrane switch products, JRPanel will test the lifetime of each product with special keypad testing equipment. For keypads without metal domes, JRPanel requires that the number of contact conduction should be at least 1 million times. For key panels with metal dome, JRPanel requires the number of contact conduction to be at least 500,000 times. Only when the membrane switch passes all of the above tests will JRPanel approve the membrane switch should be shipped out of the factory and delivered to the user.